Hello everyone, my name is Ritika and I am pursuing BBA from Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Jinjeri, Mohali. So in this lockdown period, I want to do internship, online internship and digital marketing. So I chose EME because their student rating and reviews were very good. And according to my experience, it was awesome because the environment of online classes was very comfortable. So I want to thank Shashi ma'am. She taught us very well. So thank you so much, ma'am. And I also want to suggest you all to join EME because it was very good. According to my experience, it was awesome. Thank you.